In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find blocked numbers here on your iPhone. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more iPhone tips just like this. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But over time, you might want to block some phone numbers, contacts, or even emails, and sometimes you'll want to review that list, whether it's just to unblock someone or just to see who's in it. To actually check though, go ahead and open up your settings app on your iPhone and scroll down, or simply just go ahead and tap on the search button and type in phone and select the phone app section. Inside the phone settings, if you scroll down, you're going to see an option for blocked contacts. Go ahead and select block contacts. And from within here, you're going to see your blocked contacts, including a full list of numbers, contacts, or emails that you might have blocked. You can also review this list and unblock someone if you want to allow calls or messages again. But overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.